Many older adults think thin means healthy, but being slim after 60 is not proof. Muscle loss hides inside thin legs. You may feel weak, but not know why. To check your muscle at home, try this. Use fingers to circle your calf once. If your fingers fully close around it, your leg muscle may already be low. Walk across a normal city crosswalk. If you often cannot finish in time, that is a sign your legs are losing strength. Your walking speed matters more than weight. Try to stand up from a chair slowly. If one leg feels shaky or too weak, that is another warning your muscles are dropping. Your balance depends on leg power. If you recently lost weight but feel thin, and your clothes feel looser around hips, then your body may be losing muscle, not fat. That pattern raises risk of falls. When muscle is low, every small trip counts. A rug, a step, or a wet floor can hurt. The good news is you can still protect legs. You don't need to gain a lot of weight. You need to stop losing leg muscle first, then slowly rebuild strength with simple steps. Eat more protein at every meal each day. Choose eggs, fish, tofu, or Greek yogurt. Add light resistance a few times each week. Try chair leg lifts and slow heel raises. Use light bands or body weight exercises. These moves protect your bones and joints. If you notice any of these signs, ask your doctor for a leg strength check. Especially if you are over 60, feel weak, or have trouble standing up from a chair. Being thin is not the real goal. Being strong enough to stand is what matters. If your legs are thin and feel weak, do not assume you're in good shape. Talk to a healthcare professional soon. Protect your legs before the next fall.